Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scene Tech. Today, we're going to show you a handy trick in WhatsApp how to turn off those double ticks, also known as read receipts. If you value your privacy or just want to read messages without others knowing you've seen them, this video is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Step 2. Access settings. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. From there, select Settings. Step 3. Access chats. Scroll down and tap on Chats. Step 4. Find double tick option. In chat section, you can't see any double tick option. Don't worry, I fix it for you. Step 5. Go to device settings. Go back to home screen, long press on WhatsApp app to access app info setting. Tap on it. Step 6. Navigate to restrict data usage settings. Within the WhatsApp settings menu, you'll find various options. Scroll down and locate restrict data usage. Go ahead and give it a tap. Step 7. Restrict data usage. Tap on restrict data usage and you'll be presented with a list of options. Scroll through and turn off all connection Wi-Fi and mobile data. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off the double tick in WhatsApp. Remember, this means you won't be able to see when others have read your messages either. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.